Town of Elora during the long weekend. On the way to the core, Elora Gorge. Have to walk through a little bit of a conservation forest area. Here's the Elora Gorge in the distance. Okay, so there's a little staircase. It's kind of steep. It goes down to the core area. The steps are a little bit uneven. Go down all the way to the water area. Last little bits are not steps, just a walk through uneven stones. It's very uneven. Gets a little tricky. The stones are actually slippery. Of it, you're right in the water. Okay. Okay, here we are. We're at the water. Like portaging through the water by himself. Portage. Okay. So heading back towards the Elora Mills. Just visited Victoria Park and looked at the core. Looks like they're building some sort of hotel, some sort over here. Heading back into the actual town of Elora. Okay, as you are heading back into town, there's a little gate here. Behind the gate is a very old antique. Is that a Studebaker? We're gonna turn right here. We'll see the Elora Mills. Okay, going towards Elora Mills, going downhill, and it's a full house today. Elora Mills is, I think it's an upscale establishment. It's with accommodation. We'll get a chance to take a look. Here's Elora Mill. And here's where you can have all the different restaurants here, eateries on here. So there's also the ice cream shop over there at the Elora Mews. Yeah, it's a very nice little town.